Hello, good afternoon, and welcome back, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on one gorgeous 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody. Now, this car has only 1,400 miles on it. We took this car in on trade on a car we had in our inventory. What a really, really beautiful car. Gray car, black, flat black, blacked out hood, blacked out rear spoiler, blacked out windows, the black SRT wheels, the Brembo brakes all the way around. This car, factory rated 779 horsepower. Sorry, 797 horsepower. And this one runs even better than that. It's got a little bit smaller pulley on it, a little bit of tuning. Beautiful red leather interior. Of course, the SRT Hellcat design in the seats. Moonroof, heated and cooled seats, nav. Harman Kardon stereo system. This car is like brand new. And tried to convince myself just to keep it, but I don't know how many speeding tickets I would get with it, or how long I would even have my license. But I've driven this car a handful of times, and this is one bad machine. It's got the longer wheel studs in the back. It has the rear seat delete option. Power seats, of course, paddle shifter. Fired up, 1,450 miles. Widebody Redeye Hellcat. They don't come any better than this, guys and gals. I haven't seen a rock chip, a ding, a scratch, a nick anywhere on this car. Absolutely beautiful in every way, shape, and form. Inside the trunk is brand new. Front license plate bracket never been installed. Why would you? Of course, rear backup camera. Car has been fully serviced. All the fluids have been checked. It is ready for its new owner. Let's take her for a cruise. I'm not kidding you, this car is absolutely just sick.
Tires. So it's a 20 by 11 inch rim.
Shut them flashers off. This car is just badass. If you've never ridden in one of these or never driven one of these, I encourage you to drive one, or at least ride one first before you drive one, maybe. hard to tell how cool the color is and how nice it actually is until you get it outside where you can see it in the light. Sometimes having the best lights is great, and sometimes it just doesn't show you what you want to show. Or it doesn't show what you want. Check out this bad boy. All the track pack options. Of course, the little guy's got red eyes. Like I say, this thing's got just a little bit smaller pulley on it. I have a couple other Hellcat red eyes that are stock, and they don't run like this one does. I bet this thing's got, I don't know, I bet it's pushing 900 horse. And I wasn't even on this thing, so give you a little taste of what this car will do. What it'll do, it'll scare the crap out of you if you're not used to it. So give us a call at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory daily. Our inventory is changing daily. Check out our website. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. That would be awesome. I hope you have a great day, great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys soon.